Welcome, in front of me is ASUS VivoBook Go, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your device freezes. So if you happen to be in a situation like this, first of all, let's check if the device is frozen partially or fully. And let's pretend that this browser application is causing this device to freeze. And what we have to do in such situation is use a combination of Ctrl Alt and Delete buttons. Press them all at once, and if you see a menu like this, that probably means that your device is frozen partially. And what you have to do is select the Task Manager option, open your Task Manager, and once you open it, go into the Processes section. Select the app that causes your device to freeze, right click on it, click End Task, and this will close an app, and after that your device will be unfrozen. Now if this didn't help and your device is still frozen, or it has been all the time and you couldn't access that menu, then you should force restart your laptop. To do that, just simply press and hold the power button until the light on it goes off. So press and hold it for a while, about 10 or 15 seconds, and once the light on the power button goes off, you can press it once again to turn your laptop on, and then wait until your laptop starts up. Now if your device didn't want to turn off, or when you've been holding up the power button, now that means that the only way to unfreeze your device is to unplug the charging cable from your PC and let it stay like this until your device discharges. It might take some hours, but that will be the only way to unfreeze your device. And once it's discharged, you can plug in the charging cable back into your PC and then let it charge for a while, and then turn it on by pressing the power button again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.